In New England, quite a few of us are passionate about sports. That said, it's common to see heavy winds in the forecast. And when the winds pick up, the lights could go out. Talk about bad timing. When the power's out, you might have to improvise to watch the big game. Having a generator can be a huge lifesaver, but it's important to use it safely. Carbon monoxide is a natural byproduct of generators and gas appliances, making it essential to have proper ventilation to prevent trapping the gas in your home. Carbon monoxide is a colorless and odorless gas and can cause dizziness, nausea, and red lips. And prolonged exposure requires immediate medical attention. If you have gas appliances, be sure to keep your vents clear of snow and debris. A carbon monoxide detector installed in your home can alert you of any elevated levels. Remember, safety puts people first. And when your family is safe and comfortable, there's nothing stopping you from rooting for your team, even if your buddies favor the other side. This safety message is brought to you by your neighbors at Unitil. Visit unitil.com/safety for more.